Today's video I show you guys how to fix the ReShade menu not opening or not showing in game. Let's fix it guys. All you have to do is navigate to the game location. Once you are in game folder, you need to find reshade.ini. Just right click and select edit in notepad. You can able to see in input key overlay. In default it is 36. Change this to 56 and select file and select save option and the settings will be saved. Now launch the game. Once you are in game, press the 8 key to open up this reshade menu and go to settings. Settings. In settings you can able to see overlay key. We set it to 8. You can change it whatever key you like. I'm gonna set it to 2 and then the effect toggle key, set a key you like to toggle on the reshade effect and then just click on anywhere and it's gonna be saved. Now press the 2 key to close this panel and to toggle on the effects you just need to press the 1 key and this is before and this is after reshade and now the reshade will work properly for you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.